So, good morning. We are going to see about the case study in ML, which has to be a kidney disease, that is also CKD, chronic kidney disease. Nowadays, chronic kidney disease has become a global health issue and is an area of concern. It is a condition where kidneys become damaged and cannot filter toxic waste in the body. Chronic kidney disease, also called chronic kidney failure, describes the gradual loss of kidney function. So, based on this, we have divided the concepts into importing the packages, and the next one is data collection. And after collecting the data, it is a data cleaning process will be there. Then, exploratory data analysis will be there. Afterwards, we have to apply the algorithms. Then, the data visualization will be happen there. So, first importing the packages in the sense we have to import what all the packages we need to import for detecting whether a kidney disease is present there or not. After that, collecting the data should be done. So, collection of data in the sense we have to analyze the requirements. What are the basic data we have to collect from the patient side? So, those are called as data collection. Then the next one is data cleaning. Data cleaning is a process of filtering the data. It can also be referred to as data cleansing, that is filtering of the data and detecting the correct data and removing the corrupted or inaccurate data from a data set. Data sets in the sense it can be of infinite numbers, so we have to analyze what are the inaccurate data, what are the inaccurate data, we have to separate, we have to filter it, what are the required data, what is the actual required data we have to analyze. Because if we are analyzing all those data in a single set, then it is a more time consuming process. For that, we have to, what we have to do, we have to cleanse the data first of all. That means removing or filtering the unwanted data from the whole data set which we have analyzed. Then we have generally two ways of imputing missing the values. So missing values in the sense, this pandas data frame, that is filna method, or the skykit imputer. We can use these two methods. One is filna method, that can also be said as pandas data frame. Then the other one is skykit imputer. These two methodologies are used to cleanse the data, that is to filter the data. Okay, the unwanted data are removed by these methods. Then the lambda function is applied here. Lambda function in the sense what? Data dot apply lambda x belongs to sum of x dot is null of. That means we have to analyze whether the given data set is empty. Is there any other data are there? We have to analyze first of all. After that only we can apply the functions there. Okay. So, first, what are the initial things we have to analyze from the patient? For detecting a disease, we need some basic concepts. Now, what are they? They are ID. First of all, the person's ID is a must. In each and every health sector, ID is a must. Then what is the age? Their age should be calculated because age is get into account, because if the age is belongs to, he is belong person belongs to a teenage, the health condition, that count will be different. When he is above 50, his health conditions normal values will be different for each and every lab test. Okay, so the blood pressure in the sense what? Blood pressure means BP, but it can also be described as hypertension. That's specific gravity. Specific gravity will be from how he is stabling, how he is stably standing. Is he is dependent or independent? How he is he a aged person, old age person? We have to analyze all those things. Then albumin in the sense it is checked by means of a human urine. Is if there is an albumin in the urine, it will be shown as a cloudy color urine there will be. Then sugar levels must be normal. Okay, so that for each and every checkup, sugar is a must. That too, this is a kidney disease. No, for this condition, for kidney checkup, sugar levels, urine albumin levels, creatinine levels, everything have to be checked. Then what does it mean by red blood cells? Red blood cells in the sense we already know. If red blood cells means what? We have anemia. We can either there is a condition of anemia. We have to check. Then only the treatment will be given to those persons. Then pus cell in the sense what? Pus means urine cells. Is the urine cells are in the correct level? Is the what is that? That the count in the RBCs and WBCs and the creatinine levels and the specific acidic levels of urine is correct or not. That is in a pus cells. Then pus cell clumps. Is there any clumps found in those pus cells? bacteria, is it a good bacteria or bad bacteria present in the urine count. Blood glucose level is also calculated by means of both by blood and also by means of urine. So blood urea, is the urea is in the correct condition, normal condition or not, whether it gives a normal range value. Then serum creatinine, that is also calculated. Then unique function is used here. Unique function is known to call. Why we are using that? For there will be a different types of persons. For each and every persons, we have to collect their age, their hypertension range, their serum creatinine range. Everything is unique, no. So that we are using this function. Then replace. Replace in the sense what? If it is true, that is a condition is true, it will be correct. It will written as yes, it is present. If it is normal, it will present no. Okay. So if hypertension is present, it will yes true. If the hypertension is not present, it will return the value as null or no. Then Filna. Filna method we are already said. Filna and SkySit imputer is used to cleanse the data. That is they are used to filter the data. Filter the unwanted data. Firstly, we need to use the value counts. What is the value counts here? Data hypertension dot value counts. Here apply Filna. That is apply Filna is data hypertension dot Filna no in place true. If there is a true value, it will give us true. If there is no hypertension present, it will return as no. That is here. Okay. Then see, we are initializing the values, all the values as ID, age, blood pressure, specific gravity, everything as 0 first of all. Then we have to give the updated data. Then splitting the data as in data set into attributes using ilog function. That is encoding the labels first of all. What we are need to do. Then what is the ilog function? Training, testing and splitting. What is training? We have to train the system based on the data sets given, training data set. After that, we have to test. Based on the training sessions, we will conduct the test data set. We will give some data as an input and that is a testing data set. After that only, we have to split the data. Which data we have to given. That is a correct option. Okay. So algorithms. Algorithms used here is logistic algorithm, logistic regression, support vector classification, decision tree classifier, random forest, k-nearest neighbors and navy Bayes. These are the algorithms used here. Based on these algorithms, we can easily calculate the count and the patient's health condition will be monitored. Okay. Thank you.